Hey guys, welcome to another video. This is the first video in a series of video where I will be discussing about how to use the FastAPI framework. So FastAPI is a Python framework for creating back-end APIs, So I will be showing you how to set up your FastAPI server in this video. Let's get into it. Before we could start using the FastAPI framework, we need to install it, because without installation, like the code above, that is a basic server of FastAPI. When run, the response is this. The error tells us that we do not have FastAPI installed in our system. So how do we fix it? By running this command. By running that command, pip install FastAPI parenthesis all, we install all the dependencies needed to run our FastAPI web server. And there you have it. After running the pip install command, we find out that our server runs without any error. This is just a simple step on setting up your FastAPI server. In the next video, we'll discuss about creating the routes for your FastAPI server.